Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to cancel offer on Mercari. So I'm on Mercari, and let's say you just made an order and immediately regretted it. Maybe you can got a better deal somewhere else, or maybe you just realize, wait, do I really need this? Yeah, I've been there. The tricky part is Mercari doesn't actually give you a clean cancel offer button, which feels a little outdated, honestly. So what I usually do first is message the seller directly and just ask them to decline it. Most of the time, they're pretty chill about it. If they don't respond, you can also just wait it out. The offer eventually expires on its own and if it's ignored. Now, there's also a workaround where you block the seller, which cancels the offer automatically. But that's kind of the nuclear option since you won't be able to interact with them again. So, quick tip, always double check before sending an offer because canceling it isn't exactly one click simple. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.